It's back to school time, and for a lot of us that means busier schedules and possibly more stress, more anxiety. So let's make a really easy drink today to help soothe the body and the mind. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we are passionate about health. So I know right now it's a bit of a crazy, strange time, and that means it's even more important for us to take great care of our health and reduce our stress levels. So today, we're going to be making a powerful anti-stress tea. In your blender, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated turmeric root. And the ingredient curcumin, which is found in turmeric, has been shown to help balance the brain's chemical hormones, which may reduce anxiety and depression. It's super powerful. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root. And I don't know about you, but when I'm feeling stress or anxiety, my stomach usually feels off as well. And ginger is wonderful at calming down your stomach. Next, let's add 1/2 cup of your favorite kefir. And if you don't eat dairy, there's plenty of great non-dairy alternatives. So more and more research is showing that a healthy gut equals a healthy brain. So whenever you're eating wonderful fermented foods, you're helping to reduce stress and anxiety in your body. 1 cup of chamomile tea, which is wonderful at calming down the body and mind. 3 Brazil nuts, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and then also help boost your mood. This last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 capsule of our turmeric 3D, and this is going to give us an extra boost of those anti-inflammatory properties. I'm just going to take the capsule, open it up, and pour all the insides in. Now we're ready to blend up all of the ingredients. Depending on what temperature you want your drink, you may want to pour your drink into a pot, stick it on the stove for just a minute and warm it up, which is what I'm going to do. I don't know about you, but warm drinks to me are always so much more soothing than a cold one. Okay, now we're ready to give this anti-stress tea a taste. I put in just a little bit of honey and topped it off with a little bit of cinnamon. That's really nice. So it is not sweet. So if you're looking for a sweet tea, then you need to add in a lot more honey. It's not super sweet, but it's super powerful, and it's there to really help de-stress the body, calm the mind. I hope you give this tea a try, especially if you've had a really hard day, and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm here every week with a new healthy recipe, and I would love for you to join me. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take great care of yourself, and I'll see you next week.